You're definitely going to want to check out this new update. Mobile Invoice Payment Recording is now live. Businesses just like yours can now conveniently record payments directly within the mobile app, streamlining transaction management, whether it's for on-the-go sales at an event like a farmer's market or for larger transactions like home services. But here's the thing, this is really going to be perfect for any time you need to quickly record a payment and you don't want to open up your desktop app. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is streamlined payment recording. Easily record payments on invoices or just because you need to take a payment in directly within the mobile app. This is going to increase flexibility. Now your business can accurately record various payment methods with ease. This is important because the faster we get those payments recorded, the easier it is to just know it's done. It's also going to enhance efficiency, save time and effort by seamlessly managing payments and even invoices in real time, no matter where you are. Next, we're going to talk about that practical use. Let's just say you're a small business selling products on location. Now you can effortlessly record cash payments received from customers, any type of payment actually, directly on their invoices or just because you've received the payment. And you can do all of this right inside of the mobile app, ensuring accurate transaction recordings without the need for formal invoices. So first, you're going to open up your phone and you're going to get into the app. You're going to access that hamburger menu. From there, you're going to click on Invoices. And to clarify, this does not need to be directly related to an invoice. From here, you're going to record a payment. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to select payment instructions. You can go ahead and put extra details in here, if it's cash, if it's a card, if you're using tap to pay. All of this, including manual entries, are available. The Mobile Invoice Payment Recording feature empowers your business to efficiently manage payments and invoices on the go right within the CRM, facilitating smoother transactions and enhancing business operations. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.